Hello dear traders! In today's video we will continue the section where we are trying to make money on the latest iPhone 15 model. Therefore, if you have not watched my previous video, go now, the link will appear on the screen, and watch the first part. This is the second part of these video categories. All settings, all parameters and the balance amount remained the same as in the previous video. And in this video we will just get this iPhone. We will buy it in front of you in the online store and withdrawal of funds. We will also do everything in front of you in live broadcast. So don't miss my next challenges, which I will also set for myself. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, write comments and watch my first part of this section. And we are moving to pocket option. By the way, dear traders, I want to remind you that I have my Telegram channel where I publish all the signals with statistics, how to open trades, where, in what time we trade. You just need to go to the Telegram channel, subscribe to this Telegram channel, write me plus VIP and I'll add you to this group. And you can simply copy the transactions absolutely without doing anything. So go to the link to the Telegram in the description. Subscribe, write plus VIP to me in private messages and I'll add you to our group. All the links are in the descriptions as usual. Here we are already on pocket option and as I said earlier, the settings remain the same, so we finished on a balance of $796. We also have time frame on the chart of a minute, the transactions are minute, only the currency pairs have changed. I chose the most optimal and indicators are the same ones, the burst and bulls power. iPhone costs approximately $1,350 or $450. We need to finish off almost X2. That's a little less, so we set the amount of the first transaction in the size of $500 and move to the first currency pair with which we will start our trading session. Let's start trading, thereby switching to the first currency pair. Here we are on the first currency pair. Let's open a bullish trade here and proceed to the general analysis. Yes, the trade is quite controversial. It's slightly unrelated to the indicators, but still, if we are specifically analyze the indicators, both indicators are a downward trend, so the downward trend that we have now on the chart. But since this trade was the first one to come out, I'll explain it to you. We take our previous red candle and see that we have formed a rather large shadow in the bottom position. In the upper shadow, we don't have this, which means that the chart was trying to roll back in the upper position. It will not have a second attempt, but the previous situation was the same. There was a shadow at the bottom and we also tried to roll back to the upper position. Yeah, the rollback didn't happen, but still the previous situation again. There is practically no shadow at the top, and again there is a rollback, and according to statistics, this is the fourth time the pullback is happening. We opened our trade for an increase, plus we have a rather low point of opening our trade. Let's work this on our chart. I explained it for too long, but we see that the trade closed with a plus balance of $1,256.10. The payout percentage is 92. We really see, as I said, the candle is starting to rise, so we did the general analysis correctly. We only have to earn about $100 or $200 for the iPhone, so won't take any more risks. Let's reduce the amount of our transactions to about $200 and we move on to the second currency pair. Here we are on the next second currency pair. We open for a fall and proceed to the general analysis of our chart. Here we have a situation similar to the previous one. We see a drawdown. After that, in the shadows, as such, we did not have a rise, which means a trend, specifically the downward one. It remains quite stable on our chart. Then we look at our indicators and then we see two slides are in the bottom position, which tells us to open a deal specifically for a downward move. Then if we highlight the support area, we haven't seen it yet reach, so the achievement zone we have. Therefore, we can safely open for a decline. So let's look at our chart, guys. perfectly. This transaction is closing in plus, and our balance is already $1,440 and accordingly 10 cents. Let's, dear traders, on this currency pair we will complete our trading session, and let's move on to the essence of our data, 2 videos and a small challenge. I remind you that in this challenge that I live in front of you without cutting, I earned money on the latest model iPhone. Now our balance is $1,440. If I'm not mistaken, when I looked at it cost, it was $1,350. So we have enough for an iPhone, and this model will have a 256 gigabyte memory card. It costs $1,350. We will buy it on eBay. So let's go to the withdrawal of our funds, also live. We will go to the withdrawal. We will withdraw in the cryptocurrency, Tether and USDT. Let's enter the number of $1,440.10. I will close the address. I also went to the post office, took the PIN code, so enter the PIN code here, click continue, and our withdrawal occurred successfully. The balance is 0, so we move on to eBay, where we will buy our iPhone. That's how we bought this iPhone. I don't really see the point of in showing the purchase process, since we earned everything live. You saw everything. You can watch my 2 videos, and I'm still blurred out there for ordering. Now you see a screenshot, maybe a video. I'll also shoot where I ordered an iPhone, and you can really be convinced of this. If you don't believe me, you can watch both from the very beginning of this video and the last video. You can see, you can watch and make sure that we did everything live, without rewinding, without cutting, and so on. At this stage, I'm completing this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Happy trading to everyone. Go to my Telegram channel. There I actually publish deals that I show in videos. There are also published there, but at the beginning of the video you saw the intro with my Telegram channel. So the link is in the description as usual. Also, don't forget about YouTube. Like, subscribe, put bell. Bye everyone. Happy trading to everyone. See you soon.